After the scorching summer heat, finally monsoon is here and it is the best time for garden lovers. Dappled sunlight, cool temperature and humidity works magically for our plants, except for succulents and cactus. But do you know some plants are there who grow faster, flourish and bloom in all their glory in the monsoon season? So today I will be sharing few flowering and foliage houseplants that grow beautifully in this rainy season. First I will start with rain lilies because they are among few flowers to make an appearance once the monsoon begins to welcome the rain. Monsoon and rain lilies always go hand in hand, as bunch of spectacular lilies flourish only during the rainy season. They come in variety of colors like white, pink and yellow. Rain lilies are pretty handy plants. Growing them is not so difficult when the right conditions are available for the plants. You can plant them in sunny spot and water them frequently to keep their foliage lush green. The next plant on my list is one that I would highly recommend for people who love fragrant flowers. Jasmine, also commonly known as mogra, is monsoon flower and which has most delightful sweet fragrance. Plant flowers are mainly in the summer and rainy season, so this is the right season to enjoy their white pristine flowers and sweet fragrance. The plant requires full sunlight for the best blooming, but the best part is mogra plants can also thrive well in partial shade, which make it perfect plant for slightly shaded balcony. Trick to getting more flowers on mogra is trimming. After flowering, trimming is necessary to induce more branches and buds. You can just cut out the end portion of the stems and also cut weak old dried stems. So if you love fragrant flowers, then I would highly recommend growing jasmine in this season. The next plant on my list is the most famous, versatile and my all-time favorite, hibiscus. Available in several amazing colors, you will also get many dwarf hybrid varieties in hibiscus which are resistant to pest and disease. Irrespective of the season, you can grow it year-round if provided with ample sunlight and watering. It's the basic rainy season plant that blooms profusely. You can see the number of buds on this plant. To continue blooming, you can add phosphorus-rich fertilizer like bone meal once a month, or you can add chopped banana peels or banana liquid fertilizer once in 15 days. Ferns. Ferns love humid conditions and fill the pot during the rainy season. They grow greener, fuller and look extraordinary. You can grow any variety of fern during this season. I am totally obsessed with this houseplant, particularly for this stunning foliage. Ferns are perfect plant to bring touch of tropics indoors. Ferns are native to tropical rainforest. So naturally, they love an environment with lots of humidity. It is also good time to divide this plant and propagate successfully. Another plant that loves monsoon is caladium. Caladiums are one of the few plants that flourish during monsoon and show their best colors. Available in countless shapes and colors, caladiums are best foliage plants to add colors in shaded area, and a great choice especially in growing rainy season. They live in moist rainforest and wetland areas, so they enjoy monsoon truly. They go dormant during winter months when the air is dry and sprout again once the conditions are favorable for them. This time you can keep the bulb left as it is in the pot, or you can replant them again in summer before the rain starts. They will sprout again and fill up your pot with these pretty leaves. This caladium is from last season. After its resting period, it is sprouting now. About their care tips, you can check out my video Colourful Indoor Plants. I will put the link in the description box. The next plant that enjoys monsoon is Alocasia. Belongs to the same family of caladiums. Alocasia loves humidity and does really well during monsoon. Recently I brought these beautiful varieties of Alocasia. This is Silver Dragon and this one is Alocasia Black Velvet, prized for their incredible foliage. In monsoon, you will notice a lot of new growth in Alocasias, and just look at the size of these leaves. They are looking so healthy. They really appreciate the cool and humid weather. Calatheas. Calathea plants are known for their beautiful variegated leaves and amazing foliage pattern. But these Calatheas are demanding. Keeping them happy during summer and winter season is quite challenging when the air is dry and humidity is low. Their leaves are crisp up and plants look unhealthy. But once the monsoon arrives and humidity level is up, they grow healthy and beautifully. They look amazing in this season. So monsoon is the best season to grow and care for them. Next plants are philodendrons and monsteras. These are some of the most beautiful foliage plants in the plant kingdom. These are lush green magnificent big plants with distinct large leaves which add more style to your interior. They all are from the tropical rainforest area, which is the reason they need a fairly humid environment around them. So during monsoon they push out new growth and grow faster. But remember to monitor your plants closely because the combination of indoor air and lots of moisture can encourage bugs, fungi and infections. So just keep an eye on your plants. I hope you like this video and it inspires you to bring these monsoon babies at home. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.